Hello everyone, I hope you have a wonderful day. My name is Dave and welcome to Desert Media Production. Today we're talking about Final Cut Pro and a problem that a lot of creators and video editors facing in Final Cut Pro, which is when I place an overlay and I want to edit it and move left and right or up and down, it affects my video clip. I can't move my overlay to either side or reduce the size without affecting my background video clip. It's an easy fix, really easy fix, and there's a lot of complaints about this problem. A lot of people searching for an answer. Well, I got one, and are you ready? Let's talk about it. So here we are, I have a video clip right here, and I want to place this overlay on the left hand side all the way to the edge without affecting my video. So I like this one here. It gives me the ability to put my logo or whatever I want to do, and says welcome to Desert Media Production. So I drag this. It should be easy peasy, right? I drag this, I drop it on the timeline, and when you look at it, it's not all the way to the end, and it's not giving me the cropping ability, nothing there. So what I want to do is move it to the left or all the way to the edge. I go to the video properties and go to position, and I got to move this to negative side of it. When you start moving only that overlay, it affects your video position. It actually gets glued to it. I have that clicked right on it, and it's the only highlighted there. It shouldn't affect this part at all. In Final Cut Pro 10.4.7, for some unknown reason, you can't do this. It just simply doesn't allow you to move overlay without affecting, it glues in, it just gets connected to it. It's a simple, very simple fix. Let me show you. Let's put everything back to normal. Now I'm going to click here at the end of the clip, go to Edit tab, and add a generator, which is called Gap Generator. So now I need to figure out what length I wanted to get this one happening. Say example, this one here, it comes in. My computer is sluggish today, and this one lasts for about 9 seconds. It goes in, expands, moves the video away, and goes away. But I wanted to go in a little bit longer section. I want to put down to say 12 seconds or 13, make it 13 seconds. Right. So I'm going to put this title generator here and align it with this side of the gap. So the right hand side edge of that gap generator, I'm going to go all the way and push it against the edge of the title generator. Highlight both of them, right click on it, and create a new compound clip. So let's put that down as a test clip. Right? Click it OK. Now you have the compound generator or compound clip. Let's see what happens then. So you have that there, but let's say I wanted to push all the way at the front, and I want to place it somewhere around here. Okay, but I want it to go all the way to the edge of the video. It's selected. Go down to the X axis and move it to the negative. Right there. Okay, if you wanted to crop this video by itself, you would actually crop this video including the generator. Let's see what happens now when you crop that from the, say, right hand side of that. So let's go into minus and let's see how that reacts. Boom, it's not affecting your video at all. So you can actually do whatever it takes on a separate occasion. Now, but how do we edit this text? Because it's a compound clip. You go into compound clip, double click on it, click on the generator, and now you are able to perform all functions you want within the generator itself. So you can change your wording, you can change your drop zone independently of your video clip. So once you're done, you hit that arrow and it's all good. You're back on your timeline and it's still not affecting your video. So, easy fix. Easy idea, easy fix. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to answer all your questions. And if you have any further problems, let me know and I'm more than happy to help you out. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet to our channel, please do so. And up until the next time, please take care of yourself and each other.